Alright, what up YouTube? This is BFE Vlogs, doing kind of like a review, unboxing type video on this Kobalt 138 piece socket set. It's got 1 1/4, 3/8, and a 1/2 inch. It's got 3 ratchets, 8 wrenches, 86 sockets, 2 extension, and 39 Allen wrenches / screwdrivers. It's only got 1 screwdriver, but it's a mechanic tool set, metric and normal. See, there's that. You got your 1 screwdriver. Lifetime guarantee. That's what I like about it. Give you a look here. It just tells you if I get the focus. It tells you 6-point socket, 6-point socket. That's all Chinese, Japanese, whatever. But there's that. All your lifetime hassle-free guarantee stuff. Get it opened up for you. I have used it a little bit, but I got this 2 days ago. But there it is. Clean off my lens. But like I was saying, it's got all your wrenches here, both sides. It's got your extensions, spark plugs. You take spark plugs. It's got your bigger one. It's got all your yeah, but it's there. It is. You got all your Allen wrenches. Separates the red and blue. The blue is all your like 15, 16, 17, and the red is 13, 16, 11, 16, 5/8, 7/16, half. You got your deep wells here, and then your smaller normal sockets, and your ratchets, screwdriver. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. Just wanted to get a review on this Kobalt. It's a nice toolbox. Go out and get you one. Kobalt's not sponsoring this, but it'd be nice if they were. It's a 138 piece. Please give it a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe. See you in the next one.